This morning, unfortunately, we're learning about another incident of gun violence and more about the victims of Wednesday's hospital shooting in Tulsa, Oklahoma. 4 people killed. That includes 2 doctors, a receptionist, and a patient. Police say the gunman purchased an AR-15 and entered the hospital with a suicide note and a very clear motive: to kill the physician who operated on him last month. Now, after taking the lives of 4 others, he turned that gun on himself. NewsNation's Marky Martin live outside the St. Francis Hospital campus in Tulsa with how the victims are being remembered. I think that this story is so painful, Marky, because all of us can put ourselves in that hospital waiting room area and think, oh my goodness, this could be any one of us.
Absolutely. No, Adrienne, I've been talking to a lot of people who live in this area. They go to this hospital. They've been going to this hospital for surgeries, for healthcare treatment for years, and they didn't know who was involved in this when this all first broke on Wednesday. We now have a very clear picture of who was involved, the identities of those 4 innocent victims, 2 doctors, a receptionist, and a patient, who were all beloved by their families and their communities and are now gone too soon.
When I woke this morning, I really just wanted this to all be a bad dream, but this is the reality of our world right now.
Less than 24 hours after the deadly Tulsa hospital shooting, authorities putting names and faces to the innocent lives lost. Killed in Wednesday's mass shooting, patient William Love, receptionist Amanda Glenn, Dr. Stephanie Husen, and Dr. Preston Phillips, who was the target of the shooter's wrath.
We have also found a letter on the suspect which made it clear that he came in with the intent to kill Dr. Phillips and anyone who got in his way.
City leaders of Tulsa's tight-knit community trying to process the horror.
No, that's fine.
The hospital's president and CEO, Dr. Cliff Robertson, visibly shaken when asked about Dr. Phillips, a physician he described as cut from the cloth of 4 decades ago.
Preston, Dr. Phillips was the consummate gentleman. He is a man that we should all strive to emulate.
Officials touting these men and women as the hospital's heroes who had just survived the darkness of the pandemic, only to die at the hands of a patient.
Our job is to help and heal, and we are here to do our job, even if it's with broken hearts.
And Adrienne, as you know, as you can imagine, tributes have been pouring in from all over the world from people who can't believe this happened here. With the exception of the Natalie building where those shootings took place, St. Francis is back open for business. Adrienne.
All right, Marky. Doesn't make it any less disturbing, any less disheartening. Thank you so much. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.